Good morning. Welcome back in your English session. As you all have got your books, so let us do a quick revision from reader and practice book so that my little children will be able to complete all the exercises. As many of my children have not attended my class, so for them also it's a revision class. Okay. Early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. With this positive thought, we'll start today's chapter. Early to bed, that means when you go to bed early at night, and early to rise means when you get up early in the morning. As you all do, nowadays you have to attend the classes. So when you go to bed early at night and you get up early in the morning in that makes a man. That means you all children, okay, healthy, powerful, fit and fine, wealthy. The things what you want in your life, okay, and wise. That means brilliant, intelligent you will be. Only following this routine for you, my lovely kids. Early to bed and early to rise. Okay? You know why? Because the secret of your success is found in your daily routine only. Okay? A daily routine builds on good habits and disciplines that separates the most beautiful among us from everyone else. If you follow the daily routine, if your daily routine is with disciplined, in a disciplined way, that you all will sure to get success. Okay? The future is found in your daily routine only. At what time you get up, at what time you study, when do you have your breakfast, when do you go to school, and at what time you play with your peers, with your friends. And one more thing, at how long do you watch TVs also? Your favorite cartoon shows. So the secret of your future is hidden in your daily routine. If you follow the daily routine in a proper way, so every day would be the best day. Okay, children? Let us start today's chapter. As the chapter number 1, Sheetal. This is a chapter about Sheetal's daily routine. Okay, that is why we had discussed so long about daily routine. What about Sheetal? Let's know. Sheetal is a good girl. How is Sheetal? She is Sheetal. See that? She is a good girl. My children also, you are also good. She gets up in time. You too, my lovely kids. She brushes her teeth in the morning and at night. That means twice a day. I know that your ma'am has also, or your parents have also told you that to brush your teeth twice a day. Just in the morning and before going to bed at night. So Sheetal also does this way. Okay. How Sheetal follows the daily routine. See that. She takes a bath every day. That is also very much compulsory for each and every one. She wears clean clothes. She wears clean clothes. As we all have to wear clean clothes, we must wear clean clothes so that the germs will go out from our body. Sweat and combs her hair. Okay, children? She drinks milk and eats a banana in the morning. What you all eat and drink? Of course, you all drink milk in the morning. I know, for getting strong and for each and everything, the milk is required. Okay, you drink milk, I know, but eat a banana in the morning. You may be you made different varieties as chapatis or bread or something else. Okay, as your mama gives you lunch, varieties of lunch, in the same way Sheetal, before just she takes banana in the morning. She, after having banana, she goes to school by bus. My lovely kids also come to school, whether they come by bus or by van or by their own means. Okay, that much also you follow. Sheetal studies hard. Sheetal studies, not only Sheetal study, each and every child, I hope so. My little children also study every day. Study hard. She likes to draw and color pictures. It's a favorite thing. It's a favorite hobby of children that they like to draw and color pictures. Sheetal also like, and my children also they like. In each, as just now, recently you have drawn picture in that English pussycat. In EVS, every day you draw pictures of clothes, dresses, food varieties as milk product, animal product. So Sheetal also loves to draw. She gets good grades. Now we have discussed good grades. Grades rank as an examination or any kind of competition, any activity, she gets good grades. First, second, third rank holder, you know that she also gets good grades. She has many friends, and everyone has many friends. So Sheetal also had many friends. All the time we cannot write Sheetal, Sheetal, Sheetal. So in place of Sheetal we are writing she. Okay, she helps her friends. Children, if you have friends, so you can also help your friend, and your friend also helps you. Clear? So this is what about Sheetal. As we have studied, this is your chapter number 1. That revision has gone. It's about the daily routine of Sheetal. Now you understood why ma'am was talking about daily routine. Because as Sheetal's daily routine is like this, my children's daily routine is much more better than that. It can be, or it is. So that is why we discussed about daily routine. If your daily routine is nice, that means it will brighten your future also. Okay children, my daily routine is also make my day. Every day, the best day for me. So you also make your daily routine the best day for yourself. Can we have some exercises just related with this chapter? Let us start. Fill in the blanks using words from the help box. Very easy. The help box are given here. Okay. A. Sheetal wears clean. From these we have to choose words and we have to fill in that blanks. Sheetal wears clean what? Clean milk, grapes, bananas, bath, draw, clothes. Sheetal wears clean clothes. Okay. That things you will have to do in copy, your notebook. Those who have not done, they'll put their date, that today's date, okay, in their notebook. In their CW classwork notebook, they'll put date and day, okay. And then they will start writing while leaving upper margin and right margin. Okay children, in a beautiful handwriting also. She takes a dash every day. What she takes every day? Obviously milk. Or here she takes a bath also, milk also, and banana also. So what to fill here? Every day She takes a bath every day because she drink milk here. Okay, she drinks milk and eats a banana. I'm also filling. She drinks milk, eats a banana. Sheetal gets good. Search from here, grades. Clear? Sheetal likes to and picture. Sheetal likes to draw and color. First she draw and then she color. Draw and color. Children, as the help box are given, so it's very easy to fill it. Or you go through the chapter and then also you can fill it. Can we have the next question? That was question number 1 from your reader book. Now question number 2. Question number 2, fun with vowels. Now what are the vowels we have already discussed in our grammar class? Again, let's have recap. A, E, I, O, U. Okay, there are 26 letters in English alphabet. The letter A, E, I, O, U are vowels. Now the rest of the letters are called consonant. Only A, E, I, O, U, that is vowel. We use an words before that begin with the vowel sound. What do we use? We use an. Before words that begin with the vowel sound. We had already just discussed about vowel and consonant in our other videos. Okay. So you can go through that video. You see that and you can understand. The letters or the letters that are not vowels are called consonants. B, C, D, G, F, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These all were consonants. Okay, so the words which start with consonant sound, we use A before them. That my little children knows. They know from standard 1 even. You are familiar with this? What you have to do? Here are some words from the story with missing vowels. From the story only, these words are here. Okay. What you have to do? Fill in the missing. Here vowels are missing. A, E, I, O, U. Letters are missing here in these words. You have to fill vowels here. Fill in the missing vowels to make the word. B, R, U, S, H. Sheetal brush her teeth. It is from your chapter. Okay. B, A, N, A, N, A. Banana. Okay. C, M, B. C, O. O is also vowels. Here. H, A, I, R. F, R, I, E, N, D, S. Friends. Now got it? These all words are from your chapter number 1. That is from Sheetal. Okay. No need to go anywhere else. These all are in your chapter number 1. As the lesson completes, one more page is here. See that? Look carefully at each picture. Here, Sheetal is just she is brushing her teeth. As choose the correct sentence from those given below and write it under the appropriate picture. Picture are you watching? And the sentences are given here. You have to pick up the sentence and you have to fill there. Okay. Sheetal brushes her teeth. There. She does all her homework. There. She plays with her friends. Just below this picture, she goes to school by bus. You will write the sentence here, just below each pictures. The chapter completed. The revision of chapter 1 is completed. Let's have one more exercise from your practice book. As in your practice book, one activity is given. Okay, just related with the chapter Sheetal. In your practice book, page number, I'll tell you page number. You'll have to, if you all have purchased the book, so you'll fill in the book. It's a page number 3. Okay, that activity is related with the Sheetal's chapter. Okay, chapter number 1. What you have to do? Let me write about myself. See that? The column. Are you watching that blog? Hey, there you have to paste your picture. Okay, children? There you have to paste your picture, or you can draw if you know that how to draw, but it's better that you paste your picture and you will write about yourself. Okay, and this is on your page number practice book. It is in your P book, page number 3. It is already given, so you will fill that. I'm explaining. My name is. You'll fill your name here. I am years old. How old are you? You will fill here 6 years, 7 years. Okay, whatever that you will fill here. You will write in letter. Okay, no numbers is required here. I study in DAV Public School. D.A.V capital Public School. I live in wherever you live. I love to eat. Now it's about your choice. This 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 questions are of your choice. I love to eat what? Maggie, pizza, whatever you eat, whatever you wish to eat, you will write here. Okay, idli, pasta, cake, pastry. The often children love to eat these things. That is why I am giving the example. Whatever you wish to eat, that you can write here. My favorite color is. Which is your favorite color? You will write here. Pink, blue, red, black, orange. The name of colors. I like to watch. What do you like to watch? Which program? Cartoon. Which kind of program do you like to watch? So many programs nowadays are coming. Many of my children are busy. I know that. They are just engaged in watching their favorite program. So they like Shivas, Motu Patlu, Shaktiman, Balveer, Little Singham. Many of the programs, I know that many of you just love to watch Ramayana and Mahabharata also. So you wish, whatever you wish, you can write here. What do you like to watch on TV? My best friend's name. That is also of your choice. What you wish, you can write. Okay, your best friend. It may be in your school. The name may be from your school, or maybe from your just neighborhood. You can write. Okay, children. This kind of activity always you do. So it will be easy to fill it. This is your work related with the chapter Sheetal. Fine. That's all for today.